Alright guys, what I'm bringing for you today are the RNG frame sliders. So we have two of this, and then we have this that are going to be bolted into the frame of the bike. Alright, for the instructions, we need to remove both fairings and the bottom pan because we're gonna need to hold the engine right here to install those frame sliders right here once we remove these two screws. Okay, so it's very important that we hold the engine with something so it doesn't collapse. Alright guys, so we're gonna remove these two bolts right here, right here. Okay, and for that we're gonna need a socket half. Alright, let's go for it. Oh, make sure that you put the something to hold the engine right here, right, before removing those screws. Alright, once we remove these two, be careful because there are two washers big like this on the back. Make sure you don't lose them. Alright, so this set comes with 4 screws right here. They're two bigger than the other ones. If I'm not mistaken, these are 80mm long and 75mm long. The longer ones, they go on the right side of the bike, and the short ones, they go on the left side of the bike. Alright, so remove this. Alright, now we grab 2 longer bolts and this piece right here. Just get it through. Remember, there is another piece on the back. Make sure you align it with the bolt. Alright. Alright, so make sure that you reuse this part, right? Because that's where you attach the fairing to as well. So you put this one first, and you put the this one right here. This one here. Assemble the bike. This is how it looks, right? So here is where we need to attach the frame slider, right? This one goes first. Sorry. No, this one goes first, the washer, and then this one. So All right, put right here, and we need a it's a 17 millimeter socket. Should be okay. And then we just close it up. And done.